Tyco's 9.6 volt from the 90s, twin turbo. It's pretty fast. Oh yeah, there you go. That's on high speed. Go ahead and get a speed run. Look at that go. Bring it in, bring it in. Let me see. Let me see. It's kind of cool. The red one, 27 megahertz. Let's see. Twin turbos, as you can see. Very cool cars from the 90s. And 80s, of course. All that Tyco stuff was really awesome. Yeah, this one came in a special edition box. Came with the battery and the charger. Brand new. Still had it all these years, decades. So, very cool. Give it another run. You go pretty quick.